note of all the process that has been adopted. As I have said, it is a matter of concern that this so-called unclaimed coal or seized coal, when auctioned, the allegations coming from different miners is that along with this, lots of illegalities can happen. Now, the most important thing is that we have to recall the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. Honorable Supreme Court has given its judgment on the 3rd of July last year. Now, amongst others, the most important order is to complete the whole process of disposal of the coal which has been submitted before the Honorable Supreme Court in its inventory, which amounts to 32 lakh metric ton, should be auctioned to Coal India Limited under the complete supervision of the NGT committee. Now, why this is being delayed is the biggest question. This delay is therefore responsible for facilitating this kind of illegalities. Not only that, the important issue here is because of the delay is there still illegalities going on in the mining site. I have expressed my concern, which is an offshoot of the concern of the people, that this whole scripted modus operandi must be done away. Because if you're talking about 19,000 metric ton of coal, the lifting order has been given 3 weeks back. It should have been completed. Another one is around 600 plus metric ton, which was also auctioned, and the lifting has not completed. Is the lifting completed, that 600 one?
7,000 were completed out of the 19.
No, the earlier one, that's 600 metric ton earlier auction wala.
Before this, sir? Before this 19,000?
Before the 19,000.
That's lifted, sir, I think.
That's lifted, completed. So therefore, this also, we want that this should be lifted immediately. If this has been auctioned, it must be lifted immediately. And we will be urging upon the Honorable NGT and Coal India Limited to expedite the process of auctioning as per the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. Let us respect the judgment of the Apex Court. And this is exactly what the miners also want. Many of the genuine miners whose coal are stuck because of the NGT ban, we must realize one fact, that if this delay in auctioning takes place, then they will not be able to recover the money, whatever little money they have invested for those coal. We will be further taking up this issue.